I don't think you've been up here, Chris. Yeah, this is the spot up here. There he is. Yep. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Ooh. Yep. Yeah, they hang out at that tree over there, huh? Oh, come on. No, this is a spotted. It's a spotted. Yep. Yeah, this is a spotted bass. Oh man, that's beautiful. Ooh, yeah, but you can see the lateral lines right here. Oh yeah, man, that's beautiful. Right into that tree where you said no. Yeah, beautiful. All right, thanks for that, buddy. First catch of the day for me. Here we go. Woo! There he goes. That was nice. All right. Nice start to the day. I think we've gotten like 3 or 4 fish already. We've been fishing for maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, right over those rocks is where it gets good.
Where do you want to go?
It's a little nicer right over there at those rocks. It's like a bit of a walk, so it gets really nice. It's definitely worth it.
Over there?
Yeah. Is that a bass or a mojarra? No, it's a little bass. Yes, sir. Is that I think that's a spotted bass. Nice. There's a bunch of little ones in here. Uh-oh.
Spots? No.
Oh, yeah.
I got you.
Woo. Look. Oh, no, I dropped it. Well. Oh, there's a nice bass right there. Chris, right there. There he goes. I'm gonna get this guy. You see him? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a catfish, but there's a little bass amongst them. Yeah, there's I can't tell what those are. There's a bunch of fish in here though.
Sight fish.
Man, there we go.
Saw it, he threw the lure on it.
Oh yeah. This is largemouth. Woo! Nice guy. Yeah, I've caught a bluegill with the beef jerky. Woo! Gosh, every time. Oh, there he goes.
There goes my dinner.
This is probably the furthest up the creek we walked. I've never been out here. It's beautiful. Look at how clear the water is as well. Absolutely insane. Beautiful. We're gonna go to try one final spot. Hopefully we can get something at least 12 inches. Call it a day. Oh, he's swam that way. He's over here now. Get back in there, man.
Yeah. He's on it. Mira, mira el mugre gato que hay. Este está chiquillo para los que miramos más para adelante.
Oh, yeah, I see it. That's a good size, though. Uh-huh.
Está aquella curva que se ve así.
Oh, yeah.
There are some big.
Oh, here we go. Woo-wee. Oh, beautiful jump. Get out of there. Get it out of there. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, that might be the biggest of the day. No, it's a largemouth, though. That's still beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. He ate it all the way, man.
Poked it.
He smacked you. Here we go. Nice one. There he goes. Beautiful little largie. Nice, Chris. We still want you on Guadalupe Bass, but man, that's the biggest of the day, so I think it's well worth it. Yes, sir. That was still good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Uh-oh. Another one on the line.
Oh, I didn't get to take a picture.
Ooh-wee. Yeah, it's a Guadalupe Bass. Oh man.
Is it the same one?
That's a good one.
About the same size, but this is, I think it's either a Guad or a spotted, because it does have those lines. It might be a spot now.
Might be a spotted, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is a spot. Either way, beautiful. Woo-hoo.
Oh, yeah, no video.
Man.
There's a big catfish.
Here you go, you want to release it? Man. Oh, here's man, I've never been all the way up here. It's nice. No, okay, no. Well, we'll do it.
Just rest up. And
yeah, we'll do it for sure. Jesus. Oh man, that was exciting. 2 back-to-back fish. Largie and a spot. All right, where's that Guadalupe? Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, you see how you pull drag? Oh man, I can't tighten it. I have to just walk back. Oh, come on. There it is, there it is. Oh, I think he like spun around on it. Oh, I just need to get him out of the water. This rod is not good. Oh, yes. Now this is a Guad. Woo-hoo! Man, this is a frenzy out here. We caught a largemouth, a spotted bass, and a Guadalupe back to back.
Bro. Doubled up.
Oh my God. This is crazy out here, guys. This is crazy. The 3 species of bass, all within 2 minutes of each other, and we just got doubled up. This is madness. This is madness. Yes, another Guad. Oh, nice. There we go, doubled up, yes sir. Oh man, that's what it's all about. That is what it's all about, guys. All right. How about that frenzy, guys? I've been filming for 3 minutes, and in those 3 minutes, caught a largemouth bass, a spotted bass, and 2 Guadalupe bass. Oh man, it does not get better than that. Oh man, I'm pumped. But we're on them right now, so we gotta keep on hammering. Hopefully catch a few more fish. Stay tuned. All right, had to take a breath after all that craziness. I have never experienced anything like that. We literally each caught a fish within 3 minutes. Insane. Insane. And I know there's more in here, so it's just getting started. There he is, another one. First cast back in. All right. Oh man, here we go, boys. Here we go. Honey hole, yep. This is a largemouth. Man. Oh my God. Oh, this one's got a little sore on it. It's been bottom feeding, or I don't know what's causing that. I don't even want to touch it. Well, beauty. Oh, actually, yeah. Whatever it is, we're just catching bass. Slaying them out here, boys. Slaying them. Glad to be back in Texas. It's actually my first day back in Texas. I've been in Memphis for the last few months, and we literally got back this morning. Already slaying them. Oh, here he comes. Oh man.
Oh, my worm.
Okay, hold on. Got it. Oh man. Tons of these little bad boys right here. It's crazy. Nice. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
We'll grow up more.
Crazy day of fishing. One of the craziest I've had in a while, honestly. It's a good welcome home. You guys can definitely expect to see some more of this Clearwater Creek in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to upload at least once a week. The art, I promise is coming soon. I have some real cool ideas for you guys. So anyway, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, give it a like if you like it, comment any advice or whatever you guys want. Yeah, you know what chicharrones are, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, we're making them fresh, bro.